Hey, how's it going? Decided, well, I just got a case today, and I decided I might as well do an open box. I know it's getting harder and harder for people to purchase computer parts, but I did see this shortage coming, and so this was the last part that I bought. I have all the other parts. I'll be making open boxes of those too, and then I'll show you me building it, I guess. Here you go. This is the Phanteks ENTHOO Pro, which is kind of a weird name, but let's check it out here. They show you the different pieces on the front here. Just some random text on the other side. Dimensions right here. Got handles on the box. And that's what it looks like put together. This is the tempered glass edition. Let's take a look inside here. You know, I had pieces for a while, and I was doing a lot of research into this, into looking for a case. I had some other cases, but what I was really looking for was ones that had at least 3 different external bays on it, because I want to put different things in there. You know, I like, well, one is I have a media studio, so I have to burn and grab information from discs and Blu-rays and all sorts of stuff. So I wanted something that had at least 1, but I needed 3, because I want to be able to add a second bay that has like a light scribe or something I can burn from straight to the other. And then I wanted to also have another drive down here where I could put like the USB-C adapter and extra 3.0, and then add just a couple other cool things too. Maybe even like an LED that has that too, you know. Looks like I'm gonna pull a Linus here and take this out upside down. That's the handle, you gotta watch out there. Looks like that's gonna be the front, right? So I'm gonna flip it around. Wow, it's so much lighter without that box. That box must have been pretty heavy. It's just cardboard too. That's strange. Take this, grab the bottom. There you go. I don't see any parts in here. This is what it looks like. Not too bad. It's actually pretty decent foam. Must be some dust or something in there. Nice, doesn't look too bad. I think this is the plastic. I don't think it's aluminum on the front. Yeah, that's fine. It's got aluminum on the side, on the back. This is the glass, tempered glass right here. I'm going to leave that on until last. Okay, it's decent. Not too big, which I'm glad. Nice, right on the bat we got a magnetic mesh right here to catch the dust. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Does this open up right away? Please handle with care. It doesn't seem to open up right away. Maybe I gotta unscrew it. There you go. And then it opens up. Alright. Yeah. That's cool. Not bad. This is my first case with glass. Looks like we got the box of screws, the accessories. Got the manual, got some straps. That's cool. Screw case, that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna be able to keep and use that. Manual. I don't know what that was. I hope we recorded that first part, because I got stopped and started recording again. Okay, we'll just see. Right, this is for the big ATX. I just have a regular ATX board. That's where the power supply goes. It's a nice big fan. Not too bad. Here's the other side panel. See if I can unscrew this here. This one's really tight. Maybe because it's not sitting on an even surface. Man, it's super tight. What's going on here? Like this. Sweet. There you go. The side panel here. Oh wow, look at all that. All those components. Fans and everything go into here, it looks like. Interesting. This is everything that goes from the case onto the motherboard. Everything's labeled too. Power hub, reset switch, and so on. Interesting. Multicolored LED strips. Alright, not too bad. Let's take a look at this. This is the front here. This is the USBs 2.0 and 3.0. It's got the reset, it's got the power, headphones, microphone, and these are the 3 drive bays. Nice, okay. I believe also, so I can do this. So we've got dust filters here too. Here's one, and here's another one right here. So that's cool. Looks like they both come out. Not sure how this one does yet, but that's fine. And there you go. That's pretty much the case. Well, the power's up here, it looks like. So then what are these two? Oh, one is the reset and one's the LED lights. Gotcha. Alright, well, that's this case. As you can see, I'll show you the motherboard I got, just so you. so you have an idea of what's going in here. I think that's about does it. Yeah, and that's the open case, open box and unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. Woo!